Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we want to show you one of the coolest projects we've been working on. This is the Tiffany mahogany clock, 1885, 1887, and this is the stage of having the finish completed. So you can see that it's a beautiful red mahogany. When you look inside, you can see that there is the original silk. We kept the silk that's been on there for many years. And we have brought the finish all the way back to the way it was in 1885. And so you can see that the brass has been highlighted some, but it doesn't look totally shiny. We want it to be kind of that detail where it looks like it's telling the story. We have a beautiful brass finials, and then look inside of this piece. You can see, let's see if I can open it right. There we go. Inside shows all of the spots where all of the long chimes go. And remember when we saw the first video that we were showing that some of these chimes are 8 feet long. It's one of the bigger clocks. We also have a finial for the very top. So we're just showing you the progress of the finish, and we feel pretty proud of the finish now. And we're going to end up being putting all the technical work back together and show you how the face and everything works. We're going to get it running and leveled. So this is pretty cool and a beautiful piece of furniture. One of the finest clocks we have, and we'll show you again how the pendulum has silver and mercury in it. So watch for the final video.